Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a brand new 2019 Audi SQ7. How this product works is every time you get in the vehicle, you turn on the ignition, do not put your foot on the brake, hit a sequence of buttons. Once you put the correct sequence in, the indicators will flash, start the vehicle up and the car will come out of park. If you don't do that, and you don't put the right sequence in, it will not come out of park. So how it works is very simple. Ignition on. I'll show you in a immobilized state, in other words it won't come out of park. So I'll start it, vehicle will start. I will now try and select it to come out of park. Won't come out of park, see? Okay, so if someone breaks into your house, takes your keys, clones the keys, unless they actually know the push button sequence, they wouldn't be able to start it. So on this particular vehicle, we used a very simple code, which is straightforward. So ignition on, insert the sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators will flash twice. Code is correct. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Select a gear, you'll see now it will come out of park. There you go, selecting into drive, very straightforward to use. Okay, so ignition off. This also has the facility, if you want to take the car for a service and you don't want to disclose the push button sequence, very simple to do. The way you do this, ignition on, insert your push button sequence, you'll get a double flash from the indicators, and then you will use the driver's window up control button, push that 5 times, the indicators will flash and it will go into valet mode. So we'll do that now. So ignition on, insert your push button sequence, indicators will give you a double flash, and now we hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indicators will flash 5 times. This is now in valet mode. So it means that we can start it as many times as we want, move it around without disclosing the code, as you see here. Straightforward. This also has the facility that if someone sees the code or the push button sequence, you can very easily change it. And the way you do this is very simple. Ignition on, insert the push button sequence, indicators will flash. Now we put our foot flat on the accelerator all the way down, insert the same code or sequence. Once we've done that, the indicators will start to give you 1 flash and a pause, 1 flash and a pause. If we now let go of the accelerator, we can now recode it. So we'll change it. For example, we'll use these buttons here. Now you'll see that every time I push a button, it will confirm by a flash. Once I've inserted the sequence, it will give me 3 flashes. I will then repeat it. It'll give me 2 flashes. It will go out, stop flashing, then it'll be learnt. So we'll do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just to make it simple. 3 flashes. Now repeat it. It will give me 2 flashes. That is now learnt. So if we now turn off the ignition, if we now turn it on and try and use the old code, it won't start. You won't be able to do it. So if we now turn off the ignition, turn it back on, insert the new code, double flash. Code is learned, inserted, start the vehicle, change gear. Very straightforward. I hope you found this video very helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.